Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but I just wanted to film this really quick, updated eyebrow tutorial. So first off, I'm taking the Got2b Hair Gel and I'm placing this into my little benefit tube. And keep in mind, this is an empty tube. I'm not mixing anything together. I'm just using the brush just because I really like how it shapes my brows. As you can see, I'm putting a little bit of pressure from the products onto my brows just because I really want the hairs to stay in place. And sometimes I'll go in with a second coat just to really set them in place. I always used to skip this step, which was shaping the top of my brows, and ever since I started doing it, I noticed how much cleaner my brows look. So don't forget to do this step. Okay, now I'm just fanning the brows just so they could dry down faster. So I don't know about you guys, but I tend to get a lot of flakes from this gel, so I'm just taking a makeup remover and putting that on a Q-tip, gently wiping the excess off. And I'm doing this because whenever I put any type of concealer or liquid foundation on it, it always flakes up on me for a weird reason, so that's why I never skip this step as well. Then with any concealer, I'm just applying the concealer and shaping the brows to how I would like them. And this day I was like really lazy, so I just went in with the concealer applicator and yeah, shaped the top and the bottom. Now take a fluffy but dense brush and then just blend it out. Blend it out. I found that it was like drying up on me already, the concealer, so I kind of like sprayed a little bit of the Milani setting spray onto the brush and then started blending out the harsh edges. Questa Cosmetics was kind enough to send me some of their products along with this cute brush set, so I'm using one of their brushes. I believe this is like a lip brush, but I'm gonna use it on my brows anyways. And going in with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, I'm using this shade to define my brows and fill in any sparse areas. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I know I've been getting a lot of requests on this, and I finally got the chance to sit down and film it for you all. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also follow me on all my social medias down below in the description box, and I'll see you all in my next one.